morning, students. Welcome back to social studies. As what I was studied about previous class, we studied about reviews of 5 seasons, right? How many seasons we have? 5 seasons. Everybody did this homework? No, because nobody did this homework because I did not got any pics. Okay. Yes, anyway, now everybody open your page number 33 and that will see fill the missing letters in the words given above. What is this? This is summer. Just trace out, children. It is very a light color. SUMMER. What is this? This is summer, right? Yes. And this is monsoon. MONSOON. Which season is that? Monsoon, right? Yes. And which season is this? Winter. WINTER. Which season is that? That is winter. Okay. Yes. And which season is this? This is spring. SPRING. Spring, right? Yes. And autumn, AUTUMN. Autumn season, right? Yes. Next we'll see. Write the season shown each trees. Which is your favorite fruit on the separate a space of a piece of a paper. Draw a tree with your favorite fruit and add to the photo file. Okay, we'll see now. A tree is full of green leaves. A tree is full of green leaves. In which season we can see that? That is spring season. SPRING. Right? In which season we can see? That we can see a spring season. Right? Yes. Yes. A tree is full of leaves and fruits. In which season we can see? That we can see in summer season. Right? Yes. In which season we can see? That we can see at summer season. A leaves have fallen off from a tree. In which season is that? Autumn. Right? Yes. AUTUMN. Autumn, right? Yes. The leaves are fallen off from a tree. In which season we can see that? We can see it is on that rainy season. Right? Rainy season. Because whenever the rain will be fall, that hair, that each and everything, what will happen? The leaves will fallen off, right? Yes. RAINY, right? Spring, summer, autumn, rainy, right? Yes. Now we'll see. Everybody open a page number 34. In that, see, study the weather condition in your city for a week. Circle the picture that shows weather of each day. From today. Which day today? Today is... Sorry, don't take from today. You consider is from Monday. If you consider from the Monday to Sunday, how the weather will be? It is a sunny, it is a partly cloudy, it is a cloudy or windy, rainy, thunder. Each and everything you have to do. Okay, on Monday how the weather will be, Tuesday how the weather will be with date. Monday so and so, so weather condition is like that. Tuesday so and so date, weather condition is like that. Wednesday date, weather condition is so and so. like that. For 7 days you have to write the weather conditions. Okay, yes. So we'll see. Next fact is about a winter season. In winter season, what we can see? The sun sets very earlier, so day will be shorter, right? Yes. Weather is a hot, weather is a cold, weather is a changing as a week of unfolding, as a week of unfolding. Slides the cloudly, skies the fairly, slides the changely in the air. It is a rainy, it is a pouring, it is a windy with a brushing blowing. Weather is changing throughout the year. Yes, obviously. See, it is nothing as indicating is like weather is hot. Few times it be hot, few times it be cold. The weather won't be constant. It will always be changing, right? Yes. As a week unfold. However, the days are moving, so that the weather is also changing. Yes, skies are cloudy. What we can see in skies? In skies we can see very cloudly, right? Yes, and skies are fair. Skies are changing. Few times in the sky we can see it will be some normal weather, like there won't be clouds, only the sun will be arise, it will be normal condition. But in other forces, what we can see? We can see cloudy parts, right? Yes, the sky is also changing it. In the air, it is a raining, it is a pouring, it is a windy. In air, with the air, what all we can see? It might be raining, a pouring, a wind. See, can see how the wind is blowing, how the rain is for pouring the water. We can see, right? In that, not it is not only a pouring or a windy or a rainy. In the air, what all we can see? With the breeze blowing, how the hair will be blow, like it is like very forcibly the wind is blowing, right? Yes, so that the weather changes throughout the year. It won't be constantly, the weather will be always changes. Okay, yes. Next we'll see, what is this? This is nothing but, yes, cold ice. How we'll feel? We feel it as a cold. Yes, right? Coldest. In which month we'll get to know in the year of very coldest? In the month of January, right? Yes. And when the short days and the longer sunset we can see, earlier sunset we can see in the winter days, right? Yes, the day will be longer, but the sunset will be earlier, as well as it will be shorter of the days. The days won't be longer, the days will be shorter, the sunset will be earlier. Okay, yes. And what is this? This is hot. And what is this? How if you see the picture only we'll get through now, right? This is nothing but wind, right? And if you see picture, what we can indicates this? This is indicates as rain, right? Yes. And cold, hot, wind, rainy. So that what we can see those and all weather changes. Whether it might be a hot, whether it might be a cold, whether it might be a windy, whether it might be a rainy. We can see those weathers. Okay, this page we'll go through at next class. Okay, yes, make sure of children, this will be your homework. You should take from Monday to Tuesday, write those days and what you have to do, how the weather will be changes, whether it was sunny or part cloudy or cloudy, wind, rainy, thunder, whatever might be, just make sure of it and just circle it. Okay, okay students, bye, meet you up at the next class.